Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to keep the mushroom fresh for a longer period of time. So this is the package that normally we get from the supermarket, right? First of all, we just have to take it out and then gonna put it in the brown bag. And I'm just gonna leave some of the mushroom in here also, so we can compare the freshness between just leave it in the container and keep it in the brown bag. I'm gonna put this into the refrigerator for both of them. Just gonna keep it with the original package, then put into the refrigerator. Okay, so now we're gonna check it out and see the difference between keeping the mushroom in the bag like this and just keep it into the container. Okay, so the right one is the one that we keep it in the bag, the brown bag. See the texture? It's still dry and it still look pretty good. But this one that we just keep it in the container is like really slimy, and see there's kind of like water on it also. So it works that we keep mushroom in the brown bags, and then it can help keep the mushroom fresh comparing to just leave it in container. So I hope you enjoy this clip and it is beneficial to you. If you like the clip, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you next clip. Bye.